In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping it. A task that might seem simple, but is crucial when you want the perfect fit for your design project. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or any other digital design, these steps are straightforward and highly effective. First, log into your Canva account and open your design project. You can do this by navigating to the Canva website and clicking on My Projects. Once your project is open, locate the specific image you want to resize. This is our starting point and a key step because it sets the foundation for the rest of the process. Clicking on the image will highlight it, indicating it's ready for editing. You'll see a border appear around the image, which means you can now proceed. Next comes the main part, resizing the image without losing any crucial parts. You can resize it by dragging the corners or edges to your preferred dimensions. This method ensures the entire image stays intact without cropping out any important sections. Position your cursor over one of the small circles on the image border, known as resize anchors. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to enlarge it. As you resize, a set of guidelines will appear, part of Canva's grid system, helping you maintain alignment and proportion within your design. Keep an eye on how your image interacts with surrounding elements. If your design includes text or other graphics, ensure everything remains balanced as you adjust the image size. Be mindful of image quality while resizing. Extreme changes can affect clarity. For best results, resize within the natural resolution of your image. If you notice blurring or pixelation, it means the image is being stretched too far. Mastering image resizing in Canva without cropping is an essential skill for maintaining design integrity while meeting your creative needs. By understanding how to adjust dimensions carefully, you can create well-proportioned, visually appealing designs every time. So, next time you need to resize an image for a presentation or social media post, these steps will guide you to do it easily and effectively. Thanks for watching and happy designing.